Hello and welcome to Luscombe Mitsubishi's walk round video VW Passat that we have for sale. As you can see, it's in silver, it's got front and back parking sensors, it's in a beautiful, like a star silver colour I'd call it. All the wheels and tyres are in excellent condition. There's no marks or scrapes on this vehicle. With it being a 16, it's pre-tax jump, so it should be, well, it is low tax on this one. As you can see there, you've got your rear parking sensors. It's also got a lovely detachable tow bar. I don't know if you can just see that under there. So it's all inside the boot. I'll just open that up for us. Beautiful big boot there. Traditional saloon, so it's nice and secure for when you put your items in back. Lovely, lovely condition. Really is. Some mark the car. There's not even a chip on the bonnet on this one. Like we do with all our used cars, we only keep the best ones for ourselves because we want our customers to be happy. So it does over and above meet our criteria. I'll just take you inside so I'll have a look at the interior. Four electric windows, heated mirrors, central door lock in there. As you can see, with all the trip meter and so on. It's got Park Pilot on this one. That's basically your parking sensors, your front and rear parking sensors. It's a multifunction radio on this one as well. Very nice, very elegant inside. Push button, stop start. Obviously 6-speed manual. You've got a couple of modes there for the performance of the vehicle. When you press that, it does click through there: normal, sport, eco, and you can set it up for yourself. So basically it just sets a throttle response and things like that on it. Air conditioning, electronic handbrake with auto hold. You've also got a multifunction steering wheel, so it's got the adaptive cruise control on that side, as you can see. Turn your volume up for your radio and so on, and then you've got your hands free for your phone at that side. It is auto lights and auto wipers on this one also. Very, 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 very nice kit. As you can see, all there, all the seats are lovely. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to arrange a test drive or a viewing, please don't hesitate and contact the dealership. Thank you very much for watching.